In this video, we compare HS700E drone with certification and HS600 4K camera drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS700E drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS anti-shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. The Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone is equipped with a dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization that ensures rock-solid flight stability while capturing breathtaking 4K video and 12 megapixel stills. It boasts a 10,000 feet range transmission, thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi repeater transmission, allowing users to explore a wide variety of terrains and capture great photos. The HS600 drone has a remarkable flight time of 56 minutes, thanks to its dual battery setup, providing ample time for uninterrupted aerial filming. The drone also features a level 6 wind resistance, allowing it to withstand strong winds and ensuring unwavering stability during flight. The HS600 drone's GPS intelligent return-to-home function provides added security, enabling one-key return, lost signal return, and low battery return features. Finally, the HS600 drone is beginner-friendly with its follow mode and waypoint mode, making it easier for enthusiasts to transition into experts. Both the Holy Stone HS700E and HS600 drones are impressive devices, each with their unique strengths. The HS700E is FAA certified and features a 4K EIS anti-shake camera, GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, and various additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home. It's user-friendly and comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it perfect for outdoor usage and safe storage. On the other hand, the HS600 drone comes with a dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization, and boasts a 10,000 feet range transmission due to its integrated Wi-Fi repeater transmission. It has a remarkable flight time of 56 minutes, thanks to its dual battery setup and level 6 wind resistance. Like the HS700E, it also features a GPS intelligent return-to-home function and is beginner-friendly. However, it stands out with its 2-axis gimbal and extended flight time. Ultimately, the choice between these two depends on the specific needs and preferences of the user. Whether it's the user-friendly nature and FAA certification of the HS700E or the extended flight time and long-range transmission of the HS600, both drones offer a fantastic flying experience.